street, bro. Oh man. So we back in the mine, got our pickaxe swinging from side to side, side to side. The task a grueling one, hope to find some diamonds tonight, night.